What's going on, guys? All right, so I forgot to do an intro, but basically today, me and old girl Honey went out on the John boat and just gonna do a little fishing, and we caught some good bass, and it was a fun day. But it started getting super windy out here, and we just wanted to come out and hang out a little bit. She decided to jump in the water about halfway, so you'll get to see that. Can't bring a lab to the lake without him getting in, but it was a good day, and here it is. I don't know how that fish just came off. Oh man, that's frustrating. I set that hook and then he got up underneath one of them branches and I held it on him. I don't know how he just spit that hook. There's one. Good girl. Smell it? What do you think of that fish, huh? What do you think of that fish? You like that? Nice little bass right there. Not a keeper, but just a cool looking little fish. I'll hit that spot one more time, but Honey freaked out when I set that hook. Oh, didn't you? You want to smell it? Off it goes. Good girl, come here. There's one right when it hit. Right when it hit. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good bass right here. Oh, sugar. Got it. That's a good bass right there, baby. Let's go. So I was just working that little wall, and man, I threw it right up against the bank, and I mean, before it even had time to hit the bottom, he crushed it. That's a good looking fish right there, nice and healthy, thick, just a good looking bass. Ended up being 2.8 on the scale, but just a good looking chunk right there. Honey, what you got? You like that fish? Huh? You like that fish? She ain't very enthusiastic, but that is a great fish anywhere you go. Right there. There's one. Just all dinks today, but still fun. There's one. Fish on, baby. Nice. There's another good bass right there. Good looking little bass right there. Just crushed that little jig. Sweet. Let's get back after it. Honey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Dummy. Get in the boat, you idiot. What are you doing going over? You know you can't go over. You're supposed to stay in the boat, dummy. Oh, labs and water, you just can't Can't take them around in a boat and expect them not to get in. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up our little afternoon trip me and Honey had. Just a quick little trip out to the lake just to catch a couple fish. But if you guys like this, hit the subscribe button and then hit that thumbs up, and both those really help out the channel and help us grow and bring y'all more content. So other than that, another good day. What do you think, honey? Huh? What do you think? I guess she doesn't think much. So all right, we're out. Peace.